logical OR, and set union. In inequality form, the previous solution can be written as x less than -1 or x greater than 3 over 2. These are the symbol for logical OR. In interval notation, it can be written as -infinity to -1 union 3 over 2 to positive infinity. Logical OR and set union. Logical OR is used to combine two statements. A or B means A or B. We use logical OR with inequalities because inequalities are statements with truth value. Set union is used to combine two sets. A union B means union of A and B. We use union in interval notation because intervals are sets. Both are known as OR. Either you use logical or set union. Both are known as OR. Solve the following inequalities with the aid of table of signs. At A, given that the inequality 3x plus 1 multiply 5 minus 10x greater than 0. So first step, you need to find the zeros. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x equal to -1, x equal to -1 over 3. And 5 minus 10x equal to 0, -10x equal to -5, x equal to 1 over 2. So the zeros are -1 over 3 and 1 over 2. Next, construct the table of sign for 3x plus 1 multiply 5 minus 10x greater than 0. Since the zeros are -1 over 3 and 1 over 2, so the interval start from -infinity to -1 over 3 and then followed by -1 over 3 to 1 over 2. And then last interval start from 1 over 2 to positive infinity. The product is 3x plus 1 multiply 5 minus 10x. So find the sign when x is less than -1 over 3. So choose one value that less than -1 over 3. For example, I choose -0.4. So substitute into 3x plus 1. 3 multiply -0.4 plus 1 equal to -1.5. So negative answer. So here negative sign. Okay, and choose one value between -1 over 3 to 1 over 2. For example, 0. So 3 times 0 plus 1 equal to +1. So here positive sign. And then choose one value that greater than 1 over 2 and substitute into 3x plus 1. I will choose 1. So 3 times 1 plus 1 equal to 4. So 4 is positive value, positive here. Alright, next for 5 minus 10x. So I will substitute x equal to -0.4 into 5 minus 10x equal to 9. 9 is positive value, so positive sign. Then next, 5 minus 10 times 0, 5. So 5 is positive value, so positive here. And then 1. 5 minus 10 times 1 equal to -5. So -5 is negative value, so negative sign here. Then next step, find 3x plus 1 multiply 5 minus 10x. For the first interval, -infinity to -1 over 3, 3x plus 1, 5 minus 10x. Negative multiply positive, negative. Positive multiply positive, positive. Positive multiply negative, negative. So since the table of sign 3x plus 1 minus 5 minus 10x greater than 0. So you choose positive sign. So positive sign is right here. Okay, this interval. Therefore, the solution is negative 1 over 3 to 1 over 2. Exercise at B, x squared minus x minus 6 less than 0. So factorize x minus 3 multiply x plus 2 less than 0. Find the zeros. So x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to positive 3. Or x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to negative 2. The zeros are negative 2 and 3. Next, construct table of sign for x minus 3 multiply x plus 2 less than 0. Based on the zeros, the interval start from negative infinity to negative 2, followed by negative 2 to 3, and 3 to positive infinity. The test value for each interval less than negative 2, negative 3. Here, 0. Greater than 3, we can choose 4. X minus 3. Substitute negative 3 into x minus 3. You'll get negative answer. And then 0 minus 3, negative. 4 minus 3, positive. Next factor is x plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2, negative sign. 0 plus 2, positive. 4 plus 2, positive. So x minus 3 multiply x plus 2. Negative multiply negative, positive. Negative multiply positive, negative value. And positive multiply positive, positive value. So since x minus 3 multiply x plus 2 less than 0, so less than means negative value. So you choose this sign negative. So this interval negative 2 to 3. Therefore, the solution is negative 2 to 3. C, x multiply 2x plus 3 greater than equal to 5. So expand 2x squared plus 3x greater than equal to 5. In standard form, 2x squared plus 3x minus 5 greater than equal to 0. And factorize 2x plus 5 multiply x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Find the zeros. 2x plus 5 equal to 0. 2x equal to negative 5. X equal to negative 5 over 2. X minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1. Zeros are negative 5 over 2 and 1. Table of sign for 2x plus 1 multiply x minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Based on the zeros, negative 5 over 2 and 1, the interval start from negative infinity to negative 5 over 2, followed by negative 5 over 2 to 1, and then last interval start from 1 to positive infinity. And then choose test value for each interval. The value that less than negative 5 over 2, negative 3. The value between negative 5 over 2 to 1, 0. And then the value that greater than 1, 2. First factor, 2x plus 5. Substitute negative 3 into this factor. So 2 times negative 3 plus 5, negative 1, negative sign here. 2 times 0 plus 5, positive 5, positive. And then 2 times 2 plus 5, positive 9, positive sign. Next factor, x minus 1. Negative 3 minus 1, negative. 0 minus 1, negative. 2 minus 1, positive. So 2x plus 5 multiply x minus 1 negative multiply negative positive, positive multiply negative, negative positive multiply positive, positive sign. So since the inequality greater than equal to 0, we choose positive sign. So we have two positive here. The interval are negative infinity to negative 5/2 or 1 to positive infinity. Since it is greater than equal to, so negative infinity to negative 5/2 square bracket or close interval union square bracket here 1 to positive infinity.